Sir, as far as testimonies and the documents go that Bryce is holding on to, how far up or how far down pa ang kanyang mai-implicate? Even if I suppose kasi you're not yet ready to give names, additional names. Pero for example, legislators, how many more are we talking about here that he can implicate or that he would implicate down the line?
Kung ako po yung tatanungin niyo, alam ko merong 6 na senador.
Dagdag pa yon. Hindi to
6
total.
po yung senador. Sa mga dokumento
Incumbent po yon. Incumbent. Incumbent by Senator.
Meron pong 2 na hindi incumbent. Yung 2 po ex.
So,
Ngayon,
6.
2 congressmen naman po, at least from what I had been shown initially, the list can actually be longer because Bryce said that there are more inside that computer. Well, lumabas na yung pangalan ni Minister ko, lumabas na yung pangalan ni Mitch Kahayon, meron pa pong mga iba. Meron pa po.
Mga ilang kaya? Mga
Ballpark,
ilan?
sir. Ballpark, yeah.
Si Feldstar po lumabas na.
May isang dosena pa kaya? May isang dosena pa kaya, Congressman?
Parang tawaran no?
Hindi siguro I don't think so.
Ayun,
Then, you have to understand guys that this is only one district, meaning
Yes, sir.
Bulacan district. So in other words, there is always may nagtatanong sa akin bakit wala si Cheese. And my answer to that is I'm almost sure probably hindi ma-mention si Cheese simply because walang insertion doon. Si
Sa Bulacan.
Escudero, wala doon. Hindi ko sinasabi na wala siyang insertion somewhere else. Pero ito, at least in so far as Bulacan First District is concerned, ito lamang mga talagang involved. So, merong initials lang kasi. Yung initials doon sa na makikita mo talaga kung sino yung proponent. And up to now, I haven't really extracted from Bryce who are the personalities corresponding to the initials.
Wait, sorry. I want to be very clear about this. In the Senate, you said 6 more senators or 6 in total, including the ones already named?
But the one I have seen po at 6. He has already mentioned Senator Joel,
Correct.
Senator Goy.
Villa.
And Revilla.
Yun lang.
Former Senator Revilla. Well, sorry, that's from Henry Alcantara pala. Sino po
That's
yung
correct.
under kay Senator, under the Senate?
Yung meron pa pong isa, I am not at liberty to say. I should allow Bryce not to be the one to disclose
Okay.
that.